Today I'm going to discuss the simple ways to prevent or relieve varicose veins. And this is my third topic on varicose veins. And of course, I always think the first topic is most important, and that's the causes of varicose vein. And as any illness, you need to find the true cause. And then with no the cause, then you just focus on correct the cause, and disease will going to disappear. And also we have second video is talk about the stages of varicose vein. And as I mentioned in my video, that if you are at stage 1, stage 2, and you may take simple exercise, and there's potential to let this varicose vein disappear. So today we're going to discuss with the simple ways to prevent or relieve varicose veins. And one of the most simple ways to just elevate your legs. And as I mentioned earlier, that why you have varicose veins, because that this the vein insufficiency, which results in this the blood pouring or remaining in the leg. So if you going to elevate your leg, that will be help you to break by taking the pressure of gravity of the veins. So blood will have the potential return to the heart, and that is the simplest way. But again, don't expect and you can do this very few times or 1 or 2 months. You going to get apparent good results, because we know that the varicose veins takes 10 years or even longer to form. Is very long process. And so in this case, you want to recover from this varicose vein. If you want to let this varicose vein disappear, and that's you need to take serious and lot of work and to make you the veins to be functioning normal. Let's have a look at some simple procedures on how can you do this. And this is ideal position for you to elevate your legs. And so the best position for you that you need have do this position near a wall. So you put your legs with assistance with wall, so it can easier for you to perform this actions. So the basic principle is that make sure that the height of your leg is much higher than the position for heart. As mentioned earlier, that we need this blood and return to the heart so easy, and there's no any retention, any pulling. And if you do this position, you are going to see what you're going to see that if you have varicose vein, you're going to see that your varicose vein is going to disappear. And when you have this position, the best result would be you also in the same time you do some simple exercise just to move your legs. So this will be enhance the return of blood from leg to the heart. And usually this is easier for you to do at home. And at home is so easy. You can do all different ways. This is one way. You meant sleep, and then you just put your leg anywhere. You're going to relieve. And also you can use some pillows and just elevate your leg. And as I mentioned, that the leg should be higher than the heart, and that will have potential for the blood return from leg to the heart, so there's no pulling. And in this cases, and that varicose vein will going to disappear. Yeah, this is very simple for you to perform this action to elevate your leg. But maybe a little bit of challenge if you want to do this at work. But it's not say that it's not possible. It is possible if you're willing to do it. And because usually we suggest you do any such kind of position, you do at least 3 times a day. Like at least in this case you can raise your legs. And even so, that is not as high as to the position for heart, but this will still help you and leg help you varicose veins. And of course, there's so many innovative ways for you to raise your legs. And like when you have every 3-4 hours, you may take a break. And even so, you may share. Of course, if you have a own office, that would be easier for you to do this. Even so, you share the office with your workmate, and so you still tell your colleagues that I have varicose vein, I want to do something, and no one will be. Yeah, most cases people are not going to have issue, I think, because you really want to be healthy, and you really don't want to have big operation or medical assistance, because if you have a stage 1 or 2 varicose vein, by doing this, the certainly will help you. And here, when you have a cup of coffee, and this is time for you to raise your legs and enjoy your coffee. Even the possibility you can have some kind of conversations with your friends when you do this. Again, if you have your own office, and that can be good time for you to relax, and not only relax your mind, but also relax your body. You can see you can be so relaxed, and you can do this at least at lunchtime, and take a nap for 10-15 minutes. Let your mind relax, and meanwhile let your leg, especially you have varicose veins, that is the chance for your leg to completely relax. Let this blood return to the heart, so you can have a good relax. As you see on the picture, there are so many innovative ways for you to do this, and you can come up, if you work hard, you can come out your own ways to relieve your varicose veins, and so you have a good chance that you can come to normal legs. Yeah, that's the way, simplest way for you to practice to relieve you from varicose vein. And that's the video for today. I wish you like it and do some of your own practice. And thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next video.